Hi everyone. Welcome to the 10th topic of the fourth unit, linear relations. Uh so today we'll be going over graphing inequalities. So we've already went over graphing just normal equations, but now we'll be going over graphing inequalities. This is basically where these right here replace the equal sign. So instead of the equal sign, you won't see an equal sign in this. You'll see either one of these. So let's just go over what these mean quickly. This means less than, this means more than, or this means less than or equal to, and this final one means more than or equal to. So more than equal to. Okay, so let's go over an example. Say we have x is less than or equal to 4x, y is less than or equal to 4x plus 3. So what this basically means, this means that y is smaller than 4x plus 3 and y is equal to 4x plus 3. So now, first of all, what we're going to do is that we're just going to graph this like any normal equation. Let's see. We know that the y-intercept is 4, so let's go 1, 2, 3. And we know that the slope is 4, so we'll just get the slope. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, right here. And we can do the same thing down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So right about there. So essentially, this is our line. Hold on. Let me just get it straight. This is our line. So now we have the y is 4x, y equal to 4x plus 3. But now how do we show that y is less than 4x plus 3? So now what we basically do, we'll set x to 0. So if we set x to 0, y is less than 4 times 0 plus 3. Y is less than 3. So that means y will be less than 3. Now let's try this one more time. Let's try a different value. Y is, let's say it's less than let's say x is equal to -1. Y is equal to x is equal to -1. So y will be less than 4 -1 plus 3. Y is less than y is less than negative 4 plus 3. Y is less than -1. So based on this is like enough to find our information. So we see here y is less than 3. So we just go to 3 here and just draw a line downwards, showing just that none of this, that it's all of this. Now let's look at y is less than -1. It shows here, -1 is right here. So we'll just draw the line going down. Okay, so that's essentially what you do, but you don't have to solve every single point to actually like show these lines going down. You can just like kind of just fill in the graph on your own. So you don't have to show every single point. You can just fill it in on your own, just like that. So that's essentially how you graph an inequality. So now, but let's say, what if it was only what if there was no equal to and it was only is less than or is more than? So in that case, you would literally just, so if it was only less than, the line should be dotted. So it would just be something like this. So you would just draw your line like this. Whatever the formula or whatever the equation is, and then just draw your lines down, just like this. So yeah, that's essentially how you graph linear inequalities. Okay, thank you guys for watching. This is the last video of the unit, so we'll see you guys in the next unit.